In the R program, by using the R program, we can plot different types of graphs. And in the graphs, we can also add new objects. For example, if we use the command AB line, then parenthesis, by using this command, we can add lines at very specific locations within the graph. And we can indicate within the parenthesis where these lines should be added. And these will be a very linear lines, and we can get some good picture of the graph by adding these lines by using the AB line command. So if we want to plot a graph XY and we have added AB line, and we have shown that we have given that it should be at H, that H value is 0, and at the V, again the value should be 0. So arguments H and V specify the horizontal or vertical positions of the line. The position is given in the space of the plot. In the top left, we can see this image. The values of X and Y, they range from -2 to +2, -2 to +2, and the arguments should be given values in this range. And these are two arguments, AB line H and V. Otherwise, the line will be drawn but is not appear in the plot because it falls out of the plotting area. So in this case, we have given the arguments that these two lines should be at value 0 at both X and Y axis. So here is the 0 in the X axis. So it is plotted as like this. And this is the 0 in the Y axis. It is plotted in this direction. So by using these arguments, we can add the lines at a very specific positions within a plot. We can also add lines that are not linear. So because we have seen that we can use the command AB line to add linear lines within a graph. So by using a command lines parenthesis, we can add non-linear lines within the graph. For example, we can add the red lowest smoother line in the graph, and it can represent the meaningful data of the graph. So if we want to plot a graph, line graph, type is L, we want to calculate the lowest smoother value of that graph, and we indicated that this is the Z and Y axis. It should be drawn. So it will plot the lowest smoother in the existing line graph with red lines, and we given the arguments the type of the line, that means the width and the color of the line. So the color will be red. So after this, within the graph is already present. So we have added a line, but in this case, we use the command simple lines, not AB lines. So by using this command, we have seen already there is a red lowest line that is generated. Sometimes it is very necessary to know the value of the labels of the observations that is present within the plot. So to find the values of the labels, we can use the command text, and then parenthesis will start. We can add the values. So for this purpose, we have to use the 3 arguments to generate the values of the observations present within the plot. The first argument is x coordinate of the text, second is y coordinate of the text, and the third is text to the plot. So by using these three arguments, we can generate the value of the spots. And we can also change the size of the text within the plot. For this purpose, we can use the CEX. We have already seen we can use CEX argument to change the size of the text present in the plots. So we can see here, we can write the command something like this. Plot, we have to generate the plot xy. Point 1 is the subtracted from the y coordinates to make the label not to overlap the observations. So this command is used because we have to label each spot, because this is spot and we can see very small. Label means the value of the spot. So this is meant to prevent the overlapping of the labels. So the text command will be used. We have already studied the text command means we want to generate the text with the labels. So we use the xy point 1 z CEX means the size of the label. So you can see the plot is already generated and we have added the text for each of the labels.